I was shocked. I mean, I'm still kind of in shock.
Kristen and Jamie Serio awakened Wednesday to find a car thief had broken into and broken out of their garage.
Busted right through the door.
Yep. Yeah, they should have just pushed the button. It would have been a lot quieter and cleaner getaway.
The thief ignored 2 garage door openers and instead drove right out through the closed door. When the couple checked their security video, this is what they saw: a woman sneaking into the back service door shortly after 3 a.m.
That's the doorbell camera that captured the break-in. The thief made her way through this door, and when she closed it, that's when all the strange things began to happen. She rifled through this car first.
She broke the center console, just ripped through everything, yeah.
So the thief made off with some things, but left some things behind as well.
Right, yeah, she stole like kids' Christmas presents out of my car, but then left her own things behind.
Left a boot behind, an earring, a half-eaten Nutribar. I don't know why.
She also dropped her purse. West Allis police are going over all the evidence the thief left behind.
There's parts of my car over there. She ripped parts of the roof off.
The car had sentimental value. It belonged to Kristen's father, who passed away earlier this year. Now it's missing, and she says she is still stunned at how it was stolen.
Not out of your garage and not barreling through your door.
In West Allis, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.
Now, the car is a light green 2009 Subaru Outback, likely with a busted roof rack. Anyone with information is asked to contact West Allis Police.